this is introduction video for Power BI. Let's begin. So before learning the Power BI, we should know the term BI. So BI stands for Business Intelligence, is a set of technological process for collecting, managing and analyzing the organizational data to yield the insights that inform business strategies and operations. So this is all about getting the data and processing the data and analyzing it and yield the insight from the data. Power BI is a Microsoft tool. If you see the definition, Power BI is a collection of software services, apps and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into a coherent, visually immersive and interactive insights. Your data might be an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based and on-premises hybrid data warehouses. The Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what's important, and share that data with everyone you want. The parts of Power BI. So if you see here, there are three different parts we have in the Power BI. So a Windows desktop application called Power BI Desktop, and one more like an online software as a service called Power BI Service, and Power BI mobile apps for Windows, iOS and Android devices. So if you see, these are the three types of Power BI applications. So Power BI Desktop for the Windows, Power BI Services, it's for online premises, and Power BI Mobile, so it's a mobile app. Throughout our tutorial, we will learn the Power BI Desktop. The Power BI Desktop is a free application you install on your local computer that lets you connect to, transform and visualize your data with the Power BI Desktop. You can connect to multiple different sources of data and combine them into a data model. This data model lets you build visuals and collections of visuals you can share as a reports with other people inside your organization. The most users who work on business intelligence projects use the Power BI Desktop to create a reports and then use the Power BI services to share their report with the others. This is all about the introduction to the Power BI. We will discuss about the installation of the Power BI Desktop in the next video. Thank you.